gosh, that right side yells. This side.
But yeah.
That was good.
Squeeze.
That's pretty good.
Nice.
That's cool.
Feel alright?
Stuff back.
Nice.
She saw orthopedist to just put her on a, what do you call it, steroid pack or something like that.
Yeah.
And they're gonna see if that works. And nice.
Well, this one.
I don't know what's wrong with it. Yeah, that's weird, huh? Yeah, so I'm not sure if she'll have to get surgery. I don't know though. It's a big tear.
Jeez, I gotta bring more.
Nice. Oh, that was a good one. Damn. Are you missing that?
Yep.
Yeah. You do that to everyone?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes I wonder if I should do like a flat hand.
Yeah.
If that's like not as painful on people's backs.
Yeah, that's definitely not. But some people, you might need the fist, you know?
Well, I always do fists.
Yeah.
Well, except for when somebody has, it's usually like older guys with super stiff backs.
Yeah.
And it hurts my fist.
Oh, I know.
I'm like, alright, I gotta do a flat hand.
I think that's why I do a flat hand, because Brandon, I thought one time I had broken my entire existence.
Yeah.
It hurts. I know exactly what you mean.
I felt that one.
I felt it like, to my tail, kind of.
Oh. Maybe I should get one of those Y straps.
Y straps.
Nobody around here does this.
That's true. I've had people ask. I'm like, I don't know anyone who does it.
Remember those seated adjustments that we were practicing last time? I tried that on one patient and it like didn't go well, and I haven't tried it anywhere else. But it was because I forgot though too. I probably tried on more people.
That one.
Did it?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Jeez, bees.
It's never been the same since.
Really?
It's fucked up. Yeah, that one feels pretty good. Maybe it's my right one that, or my left one that feels wonky. Oh, nice, you got it.
Really?
Just a little guy. Yeah, I'm so pumped. That was the best thing ever.
What was it?
Yes.